I'm back for another of the 12 Days of Rum featuring Spirit Bomb rum calendar. And when I started this journey, I said I was going to do maybe 4 or 5 of these. I'm not. I'm just doing 3. This is the third one, and the final one I'm doing is this bottle right here. This is the Chairman's Reserve Forgotten Cask. And this is the one that I'm actually the most excited about. I was definitely going to do this one in the ones I picked out, but some of the other ones, I already know I just wasn't going to enjoy in a daiquiri. There's a couple of pure agricoles in there that I knew that I typically don't really like. So running out of time, what's the point? So let's jump in to making a daiquiri with the Chairman's Reserve Forgotten Cask. I am in a better mood than my last videos for this, and I am excited to try this Chairman's. I've been doing some research on other cocktails here, so most of my stuff's dirty right now. It's like my last tins, and I don't even have a clean jigger right now. 3/4 of an ounce lime juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar. We will get even fancier with the milk frother today. Then we're gonna shake it for 7.5 seconds. Cheers, happy holidays. So far, it's my favorite daiquiri of the box. Just 3 so far. I try not to overuse this term, but I'm always looking for like what I consider a quintessential style of rum, which, you know, Jamaican rums get into those like more funky rums. Spanish heritage rums are more lighter rums. So what's something that's kind of in between? And my go-to's kind of always been Barbados rums. And in cocktails, I don't think those always hold up, but Chairman's Reserve, the St. Lucia rums, these to me are kind of becoming my favorite to fit into that category. Something that's more of, you know, a rummy rum is the best I can explain it. I really do enjoy the regular Chairman's Reserve. You know, for something under $25, I think it's one of the best rums out there for cocktails. And I've said it before, I'll say it again, I really like taking the rums that I have and putting them into daiquiris, typically making cocktails with lime juice. So I like being able to kind of experience a more pure sense of it without just sipping it neat by just using some sugar, lime juice, and the spirit. I'm making my way through a lot of these spirits behind me, but next up I really want to try the Chairman's. I don't think I've ever done a Chairman's Reserve daiquiri, and I've definitely never done the Chairman's Legacy. So hopefully you enjoyed the 3 Days of Rum. I'm Derek, this is Making Drink. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel. Otherwise, see you on the next one.